Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Nominex. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, the features of their Nominex token, some of the best wallets you can use, and so much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Nominex was founded in 2019 and is the official broker of the Binance exchange. It is a hybrid exchange with DeFi features, and you can get paid when you trade on Binance via the Nominex exchange. Nominex offers cost-free trading with low commission fees and deep liquidity on more than 1,000 trading pairs. By trading crypto with Nominex, you can automate your trades and build trading bots tailored to your trading needs. Nominex also offers a variety of order types that you can use to manage and minimize your risks, and this exchange is popular for having profitable DeFi farming pools. Nominex offers more than 1,000 trading pairs that can be traded on the spot exchange. This exchange is also popular for DeFi farming and for having profitable liquidity pools, where you can farm alone or in a team. By farming on Nominex, you can earn up to 100% cashback on your trading fees, up to 72% returns on farming pools and launch pools, and trading fees are guaranteed to be the lowest in the DeFi space. To start farming on Nominex, click on the Nominex Farming tab and click on Liquidity Pools or Personal Farming. You will be redirected to the Nominex dashboard, where you can view your statistics, join liquidity pools, start farming on your own, or join a farming team. The Nominex customer support team can be reached via live chat. In order to get in touch with them, click on the Learn tab and select the live chat option. You can also visit the Help Center by clicking on Knowledge Base, where you will find plenty of helpful guides and tips to help you get started and manage your account. We would also recommend joining the Nominex community to stay up to date with crypto news and to see what other traders are sharing. Nominex offers both a centralized exchange and a decentralized exchange. The centralized exchange is beginner-friendly and easy to use. It has an intuitive interface that comes with a variety of built-in drawing tools and chart styles. It also shows all the available instruments, and you can easily find trading pairs using the search bar or adding pairs to your favorites list. Dozens of indicators can be accessed directly from the exchange, including oscillators, volatility indicators, moving average, rate of change, and many others. The Nominex exchange can also be used to manage orders, access trading signals, monitor trade history, and analyze the markets using traders' sentiment. To go to the centralized exchange, click on the Trade and Earn tab and select the exchange option from the drop-down menu. The decentralized exchange is called NomiSwap, and its dashboard can be used to access liquidity pools, DeFi farms, their referral program, rewards, and the swap exchange. If you head over to the nomiswap.io website and click on the knowledge base at the bottom of the menu, you can learn all about the features of their decentralized exchange. Nominex uses a scaling reward system that offers greater rewards for higher contributions. Basically, the more you contribute to staking pools and DeFi farming, the higher your referral rewards and cashback rewards will be. For every successful referral, you will be awarded every time they make a swap on NomiSwap, and you can earn up to 40% of your referral's income in farms and launch pools. You can make swaps on NomiSwap at no cost, and up to 100% of trading fees will be returned in the form of Nominex tokens. In order to get started, head over to the NomiSwap website and connect your wallet. The Nominex mobile application is beginner-friendly and can be downloaded for free from Google Play or the Apple App Store. This application has a built-in exchange, and it can be used to access DeFi farming pools. The mobile application has an intuitive interface that you can use to view different styles of charts, order books, and trading history. And it comes with a variety of drawing tools to help you visualize trades better. To download the Nominex application, scroll to the bottom of the homepage and click on one of the download links. You can maximize your earnings by staking tokens in the NomiSwap launch pools. Currently, only NMX can be staked, but this is a great way to earn more NMX tokens without buying more or mining them. In order to stake NMX, create a Nominex account, then link your wallet to NomiSwap and buy NMX tokens. You can then head over to the launch pools page and stake your tokens there. Nominex offers a crypto crash course that you can complete in 150 minutes to learn how to trade crypto like a pro. 10 lessons can be accessed for free, but a deposit of Tether, Bitcoin, or Ethereum must be made in order to access the full course. The deposit is withdrawable, and if you complete the 10 free lessons, you will get access to more than 70 additional guides and expert tips. In order to start the course, head over to the Nominex official site and click on the Learn tab. Nominex also offers rewards, and you can view the full list by heading over to the NomiSwap website and clicking on Rewards at the bottom of the page. Nominex uses transaction fees to reward the community by returning transaction fees to users in the form of the native NMX token. You can also earn NMX tokens by farming or staking tokens, and the holder bonus increases your additional farming rewards from 20% to 900%. The Nominex referral program rewards users for inviting their friends to join the exchange, and the referral program has 3 categories. You can earn up to 5 to 10% of the NMX farmed by your referrals through the farming rewards. 5 to 20% of the NMX farmed by your farming team through team farming rewards, or 10 to 20% of the trading fees your direct referral pays. We would also recommend visiting the Nominex blog for updates on all the latest crypto trends, trading tips, and market news. NMX is the native token of the Nominex exchange. It is a reward token that can be earned by joining a liquidity pool or farming on the exchange. NMX can also be staked to earn up to 74% returns in farming rewards, and your trading fees are reimbursed 100% with NMX tokens by holding NMX in your Nominex account. You can reduce your trading fees to 0% and trade crypto with 0 fees. Staking NMX gives high yield returns, and you'll be eligible for 8 types of bonuses if you're holding NMX in your Nominex account. You can get extra NMX tokens for each successful referral that joins Nominex using your unique link. You will also be able to earn more NMX by creating a farming team or farm together in the DeFi farming pools. Whether you'll be buying and selling crypto or joining one of the farming pools, you will need to connect a wallet. We would recommend using MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Wallet Connect. These wallets are third-party software wallets, and they are some of the safest wallets you can use for storing your digital assets. The MetaMask software wallet can be used to conveniently buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies using the built-in exchange, and it allows you to connect directly to a variety of blockchain applications. Trust Wallet is free to download and use, and supports a total of more than 160,000 coins and digital assets, which can easily be traded and managed directly from the wallet. Trust Wallet is a great option if you'll be collecting NFTs, because you can store them in this wallet. Wallet Connect is a Web3 communications protocol that connects wallets and decentralized applications, and it allows them to interact. More than 170 wallets are supported by Wallet Connect, and it can connect to over 450 applications. This wallet is built for DeFi, NFTs, and decentralized autonomous organizations. You can easily create an account with Nominex in a few easy steps. Firstly, launch the Nominex homepage, and then click on the Create Account button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If you were referred by a friend, be sure to enter the referral code in the designated field provided. Next, verify your email address and your account, and don't forget to submit any necessary documentation. Once your account is verified, set up, and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. You can buy crypto from the Nominex exchange. However, if you would like to buy directly from Nominex instead, then you can use your Visa card. Before you can buy crypto from Nominex, you will need to create an account. Once you've created an account, click on the Buy Crypto tab and sign in. After you have signed in, you can easily add your payment details to your profile and choose the crypto you would like to buy. So what do we like about Nominex? Nominex offers more than 1,000 trading pairs with highly profitable farming pools and low-cost trading. This exchange is also affiliated with Binance, which makes it one of the safest exchanges you can trade with. If you are new to crypto trading, we recommend doing the introductory course, which will only take around 150 minutes to complete, and will teach you everything you need to know about crypto. Upon completion, you will know how blockchains work, how to trade crypto, how to manage risks, and how to perform technical analysis. You will also get a bonus for passing the exam. So, if you are interested, be sure to open your Nominex account today and get your unique referral link so you can invite your friends and earn your free tokens. And that is our overview of Nominex. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.